Have you ever wondered where you could find the most mouth-watering, sizzling fajitas in Vegas? Well, look no further than Juan's Flaming Fajitas.
We're about to dive into what makes these fajitas truly flaming, explore the other must-try dishes on the menu, and give you the inside scoop on wait times and special deals.
And I don't care if you're planning a date night or a family dinner, Juan's is a spot you've got to know about.
So let's get right into it. Their menu is loaded. There are so many pages of menu, but we're going for what they're famous for, or at least I am, the Flaming Fajitas.
Okay, here it comes, guys. This is what you come to Juan's for. Flaming fajitas right at your table.
Sweet hell, look at that fire. The fajitas are lit on fire right in front of you, and it really adds to the whole experience. And you might lose an eyebrow or two. Pro tip, stop by for their happy hour from 3 to 6. Margaritas, appetizers, and great deals across the board.
And they've got everything from cervezas to house cocktails. You just can't go wrong here.
This place has a fun, laid-back vibe. Seems perfect for groups, birthdays, or just grabbing a bite with your friends.
The service is excellent. They really make you feel like you're part of the family here.
So these are the majestic flaming chicken fajitas. Glorious. They're, now that the fire's gone out, they're all melty and delightful. And then they give you a selection of sides. Guacamole, sour cream, and pico de gallo. I'm a savage and I always mix them together because I'm too lazy to scoop all of the things. So give me a hot second while I do my stirry. Delicious fajita sauce. Alright, scoop that onto one. These seem like house-made tortillas. They're nice and soft and delightful looking. Then I put on some peppers. Something to note, the fajitas don't come smothered in cheese. It's an add-on, but it's totally worth it. The cheese would actually get onto my fajita. Then there's some onions. And let's put some chicken on there. There. Majestic fajita taco. Shenanigan. Then, of course, the most important step is the nom nom nom.
So I got the chili Colorado. It's a red chili with beef, and you can see like there's like good sized chunks of beef in there. And then they offer it with rice and beans. I don't like beans, so I got it all rice. And what I'll probably do at some point after tasting the chili is I'll mix the rice with the chili, and it'll be kind of hearty because then you have the rice chili sauce and you just eat it up. And that's what I use the spoon for. Let's try it. I've had their green chili before, never had their red chili. First time right here. Seeing my first reaction live. Wow, it's so tender. It's like, it tastes like pot roast meat, but so tender. Excellent.
We totally cleaned up. Trust us, you won't leave hungry. I know I'm not.
Huge shout out to the staff at Juan's for an unforgettable meal.
So that's been Juan's Flaming Fajitas. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and ring that bell notification so you don't miss out on any of our Vegas adventures.
And drop a comment below and let us know your go-to fajita order.